Our local YMCAs do so much good for our community as well and really push that idea of wellness. But it extends further than just maybe lifting some weights or walking around a track or going to the gym. Today we have Marissa Bell on deck with the YMCA to give us details specifically about Hunger Action Month. Thank you for making the time to be here, Marissa.
Yeah, thank you. Glad to be here.
So September, in addition, we've talked about some other things going on this whole month. It's also Hunger Action Month, and that's a really big thing that you guys do. What does that look like for the YMCA?
Yes, so we are focused on reducing hunger in our community. We're a nonprofit, and that's one of the areas we feel like we can serve a lot of the need.
Sure.
And we do that through our J.A. Henry Community YMCA, and that branch is located in Eastlake, across from Eastlake Academy. And in that branch, throughout the year, we make about 300,000 meals annually.
Wow.
We feed about children across 80 sites in the community trying to reduce hunger.
300,000 meals. How much? I'm sure I wouldn't even know a number to get started with. 300,000 meals. How much would that, families would that be going towards?
So, I mean, you can break it down by day. In the summer, our biggest volume, we're doing about 3,000 meals per day.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
and that truly is such a big, you had you said 80 kids or 80 schools?
80 different sites. Yep.
80 different sites. I mean, that's truly incredible. And I think with so many students that are returning back to school, so many families that are being impacted too, it's such a big resource. So tell me specifically, the J.A. Henry YMCA branch, in addition to that, what does that branch look like? What do you guys do there?
Yes. Yeah, so it is Hunger Action Month, and with that, we just want to raise awareness for everything that we do at that branch and what we do at the YMCA. So at J.A. Henry, we also have cooking classes. We have a new space. We've been in that new space for about a year, and we have a whole teaching kitchen in the front. We actually have a cooking class tomorrow night called Kitchen Hacks.
Oh, neat. So this is cooking classes that are even for people like me that burn probably microwavable meals. This is something for everybody, all the different age sets, skill sets.
Yeah, kids can come with their parents too, and it's for anyone. So Kitchen Hacks will show you more of what kind of tools you have in your kitchen and how to use those the right way. We also do a lot of nutrition education, so maybe you don't know exactly how to prepare that complete meal, or how do you avoid burning things, or what healthy choices you can make.
I think you guys are implementing that and coming to enforce it instead of just the 5-minute crafts YouTube videos and things that are hey, you do this, and then you're oh, that's not even working out the way I wanted it to. So I love that you touched on that as well, though, because we mentioned a moment ago, you're more than just wellness. You're also talking about obviously nutrition and how to keep the community healthy and well. So tell me specifically how you guys are wanting the community to get involved specifically this month.
Yes. So there are about 4 ways to get involved. So one of those is just donate. Check out our nonprofit, check out the J.A. Henry YMCA and what we do, and we donations help support that branch. Another one is to volunteer. So we actually need people to come in every day to pack those meals. So we're doing those thousands of meals every day. We need people to help pack them and prepare them so that we can then go distribute them across our community. And then about 2 other ways to get involved, I would say, is attend our Plate It Forward. So next week, Plate It Forward, a wonderful gala event where you can learn more about what we do and enjoy some great food from local ingredients.
Plate It Forward, so it is you're I'm not even putting the money there, I'm plating it. There's a little play on words there, which I think that's so fun. So tell me, in addition to that, the fundraiser coming up, we talked a little bit about that. Any other offers or just resources from the YMCA that people might not realize that they have access to, but it's right at their fingertips? Tell me more about that.
So we have the mobile market, and we also operate Bingo's Market, which is in Patton Towers.
Neat.
So that's somewhere that is we go to underserved areas where there may not be access to healthy foods or to a grocery store. And so with that, we're actually offering a 10% off coupon this month for Hunger Action Month. So if you've never shopped at one of those places, the mobile market or Bingo's Market, you can go to our social media, J.A. Henry branch, and get that coupon and shop there to help support everything that we're doing.
That is so neat. And so for members, what does it look like membership per person who just wants to be involved at the local YMCA, or maybe wants to go and use your facilities to do this and that? Do they have access to some of these resources as well?
Yes. And so if as a member you have all the different benefits of wellness, and then you can do these things too, but also you don't have to be a member of the YMCA to get involved at the J.A. Henry Community YMCA. We'll take any groups that want to volunteer, a church group, a school group.
Yeah.
If you want to volunteer at the J.A. Henry branch, all of those offerings are open to non-members as well.
And I feel like this is a really good way for kids to get community service hours for sure, but also just be able to realize the effort and the love you put into the community. I feel like it comes back and it spreads into everybody. So Marissa, thank you again for making the time to be here. As we're wrapping things up this morning, remind me again where we can get the latest details from y'all, whether that's at a website, a social media platform, any of those details.
Yes, so ymcachattanooga.org. Go there and go under programs. You'll see our location, the J.A. Henry branch. You'll also see things like the cooking classes and Food RX.
Marissa, thank you again for making the time to be here. To learn more about your local YMCA and how you can get involved specifically for Hunger Action Month, you can go to those links available there on your screen. read and learn all about what is going on for the month of September and beyond. Stay with us. You're watching Let's Chat. We'll be right back after this.